Hi there, smart little chefs. Welcome to Learn Smart Kids. Today, we're diving into the world of cooking with a super simple and safe recipe that's perfect for kids just like you. We're making a yummy, colorful fruit salad. Cooking is not just fun, it's also a great way to learn about healthy eating. And guess what? You don't even need to use the stove for this recipe. It's totally safe. Let's gather our ingredients. For this fruit salad, you'll need 1 banana, 1 apple, a handful of grapes, 1 orange, some strawberries, and a little honey or yogurt for topping, optional. And of course, make sure you have kid-friendly tools like a plastic knife, a big mixing bowl, and a spoon. Remember, always have an adult nearby to help if you need it. Step 1. Wash. Wash. Wash! Always wash your fruits before eating or cutting them. It's like giving them a little bath. All clean and ready to go. Now, let's start cutting. I'm using a plastic knife to keep it safe. First, slice the banana into little circles, like this. Great job! Now it's time for the apple. Ask an adult to help you cut it into small pieces, or use an apple slicer if you have one. Now for the grapes and oranges, nice and easy. And lastly, slice up those strawberries for a splash of red. Here comes the fun party. Mixing it all together. Grab your spoon and gently stir the fruits. Look at all those beautiful colors. It's like a rainbow in a bowl. If you want, you can add a little drizzle of honey or a spoonful of yogurt to make it extra special, but it's totally up to you. Now for the best part, tasting your masterpiece. So sweet, fresh, and delicious. And guess what? You made this all by yourself. Cooking is a fun way to learn new skills, and this fruit salad is not only tasty but super healthy too. Thanks for joining me today, little chefs. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Learn Smart Kids for more fun recipes and cool activities. Until next time, happy cooking, and keep learning smart.